Okay, we're gonna go ahead and show you the depth control page and kind of things on that. So we'll start out here. We can do the start job. We already created a job, so we'll just go back into it. Go there, go plant. Start it all back up here. Now I only have one depth control hooked up right now, so it'll come up in errors that it's missing 11 of them. Okay, so as you can see, it's missing because I only have one hooked up right now, but it shows all response for all the seating motors, which we have 12 hooked up, so they're good. And we only have one depth control hooked up, so it's going to show the rest that they're not responding because I don't have them hooked up. So we at least have one. So here, now we're on this screen, we'll go ahead and just start planting. We're planting right now. And what we'll go ahead and do is we can go over to our depth control screen. Now here, usually if the depth control was on or hooked up totally, it'd be painting in purple. So depth control here, as you can see, there's purple. It shows the depth. Over here would be your depth, as you can see. And this is for each row on the depth control. The provision 2.1 right now. So that'd be your marks, and these would go up and down. Depends on what setting you have your depth control at. So we can go to the cycle top up here. And here is you can change your different depths here. 2.5, 2.5. I mean, you could have your different numbers in there. As you can see, I can go down or I can go up to what we'd like. You can change them. And then also you can go row by row. You can shut them off. Take the check mark out, it shuts them off, turn them on. You can also go, say your depth, you want to go 77% of 2.3, it puts you at 1.71 for your depth control there. And also we have a screen here that gives you the information. So you have your row 1, we're going at a speed, and your target would be whatever you have your depth set on, and then your applied 2.1, your voltage, and all the information you need right there for your depth control. That would be for your depth control. We also have for liquid, and it does the same thing, gives you a target and your applied, all the information you need there also for both liquids. And then for your dry, since we don't have these turned on, they're not going to be on right now. You have your application rate for your liquid. This is for your dry. Your actual population would be pounds per acre over here. This would be your motor RPM over here. Same, you can cycle bottom and do the same as that there also. Kind of little information for now on that until I get one hooked up. Just gives you a bunch of information you need there. do it that way. Depth. All that way. But you can change on the go. You can have 4 different settings you can have there. Whatever you want. And change them on the go. So that would be your depth control part of it. And a little bit of information on your liquid and everything. So